Hello, welcome to lesson 4. Pinyin, initial p and final o. First, initial p. So when you pronounce this voice, you again close your lip and stop the air flow first. Then suddenly open your lips, let the air flow through your throat, pass through your mouth. It's similar like a bo, but it's a bit longer. Po, and it's similar to the pronounce like English when you say pen. P. Here you say a little bit longer, po. Okay. Next one is the final o. Here, when you want to pronounce this voice, make your lip O shape, or like a circle. Then put your tongue a little bit back in your mouth, and the end of your tongue a little bit go up. Locate your tongue exactly in the middle of your mouth. Say O. So this pronounce is similar to when you say okay, but that O in English, you move your lip. Here you keep your lip, don't move, speak out. Pronounce it. O. O. Okay, next we are going to combine p and o together with the 4 different tones. The first one, p. Second tone, p. Third tone, p. Fourth tone, p. Here is the 4 characters related to Pinyin. Again, I have to let you know that each of the Pinyin pronunciation will relate to different character. Means same pronunciation may link to different characters. Here I just gave you an example for you to see how this character look like. You don't need to learn how to write it, just remember how they look like. Here, if you still remember, we have learned another initial and final in last lesson. So here I'm going to combine something we learned in this video with last video so that you have an idea how the Chinese Pinyin is combining initial and finals together. If you remember, we learned a final a in last video. If you combine p together with a, you will say pa, first tone. Second tone, pa. Third tone, pa. Fourth tone, pa. Here you see I made a cross in this pa because in the daily language, usually this pronunciation is not linked with any word. Maybe in some dialect, they have some pronounce like this. But in the standard Chinese language, you could hardly find a character that related to pa. However, you could pronounce this. It's not a problem. Later you will figure out there are some initial and finals they couldn't combine together to make a sound. You will learn them later. Next one, we are going to combine bo, the initial we learned in last video, with o we learned in this video. Again, there is a light sound without tongue. We pronounce it as bo. Second one, bo, 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 bo. And these are the characters linked with these pronunciations. They look a little bit complicated. You don't need to learn how to write in this moment. Here I pick up several simple ones for you to learn. The first one is the combination of p and o with the fourth tone. We pronounce it as po. So the meaning of this character is, if it's a verb, it's damage, or break, destroy. If it's a noun, means something is broken. So pour. For example, you break egg. At this time, you can say break an egg using pour, means egg is broken. The next one is a combination of pour and r with the fourth tone. Pa. It means somebody is afraid or got scared. Pa. And the next one, if you remember, in last video we learned a word, pu. We pronounce in Chinese, ba. I showed this funny picture to you. And this word pulling out is 胡萝卜, means carrot. So the last one is the light tone, and this character is quite simple. It's just 2 strokes, a horizontal stretch and a dot. I wish you could learn from this video this character, 胡萝卜. So when you want to say you pull a carrot out of the soil, you can say 拔胡萝卜. 拔胡萝卜. So 拔 is something we learned in last lesson, means pour out. And 胡萝卜 is a combination of 3 characters. It means carrot. Okay, this is all for this video. Again, if you like my video, please give me a thumb up, save and share. Very importantly, subscribe for my channel. In this way, you can follow up my updated video. Thank you. Bye.